Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing the Father's Day gift series, and in the first video we made this pop-up matchbox slider thing, and when you just slide it here, and then this was it. If you want to check the tutorial for this one, I will link this tutorial in the description box. Let's start with the new one. And for this video we are gonna make a ladder pop-up card, something like that, and also a gift card holder. So this is the front or back, whatever you can call it. It says Happy Father's Day, and then this is the other side, and this is a small space or a pocket to keep your gift card, or you can also slide in some messages. And this other one is the main part of this box, and there's a opening, and then you can just pull it like this, and inside you can slip in your photo mats and also some messages or journaling cards, whatever you want. And yep, I hope you guys like this. And so let's just start with the tutorial. And for this one, now for this we need one sheet of cardstock that measures 5/3/4 inch by 15.5. If you don't have this long paper like 15.5, you can always take till 12, and then 4 inches extra. So you know, one piece 12 inches by 5/3/4, and the other one is gonna be 4 inches by 5/3/4. So let's just start. So I'm gonna start scoring on the 15.5 inch side. So first I will score at 6/1/4, and then 6/3/4. Then I'm gonna score at 13 inches. So what I will do is I'll just fold it like this, so I'll first mark at 12 inches like this, and then I know that after this mark I have to score at 13. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So then I'm gonna score here like this, and then 13.5. So half inch more from this side. Okay, that's it. Now we're just gonna fold on our scored lines and burnish. Now on the 5/3/4 inch side, I'm gonna score at 1/4 inch, and then 3/4 inches all the way to the down. So what I will do is I will score till this 12 inches, and then I'll just keep it like this and go all the way down. Okay, similarly I'm gonna score from here as well. So maybe I'll just keep it like this, and then again 1/4 inches, and then 3/4 inches. Now to cut off the edges, I'll explain what's happening first. This is gonna be a top flap like this one, okay, and then this will be the base of our box, and this will be the top part. So I'm gonna cut the scoring which we had done. Okay, so mark lines from the top of the flap like this till this half-inch mark. Okay, so I'll just make the pencil marks because I think it's not visible that much in the camera. Okay, and this was the half-inch mark, and I'm gonna cut it from here, and then this 1/4 inches I'm gonna lose this. like so, and then I'm gonna cut like this. So there'll be a small square from here. I'm just gonna taper the edges of this, and this 1/4 inch as well, like this. Similarly on the other side, like so, and then cutting it from this, tapering the corners like this. Okay, and then tapering this 1/4 edge as well. Now just fold on these lines and burnish it well. Okay, now let's just keep this aside for now. Okay, and then we need another piece of cardstock that will measure 5 inches by 3/4 inch, and on the 5-inch side here I'm gonna score at every 1/2 inch. So it will be 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5. Now after that you will number these. Start from any one side and then just write here base, and then leave one, and then write 1, leave another, then write 2, leave another line, then write 3, leave, and then 4, like so. Okay, and then just fold it like this, and then keep on folding it like a fan. Pattern papers that you would like. If you're using a heavyweight cardstock, the pattern paper that's 200 or more than that, then you can directly use pattern paper. And if you're using, you know, quite thin paper, for example 160 GSM or something, then you can put first the cardstock and then mat them with pattern paper and then stick. Okay, so I have cut these. So we need 4 pieces. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, right? So these measures 4 1/8 by 6 inches. Okay, and so I'll start placing it from number 4. So I'll remove the tape backing first, and if you would like to round the corners, so now would be the perfect time to round them before sticking it. You can also round the corners on the bottom edge as well. And just, you know, while you are sticking this, make sure that you are leaving, you know, equal margin from both the sides, because it's a bit bigger and this is quite a little bit shorter than this, so it will be coming out on both the sides from here and here. Okay, and then just keep on adding your pattern papers, and just when you stick the second one, you have to line this with the upper one. Okay, so that when you move all of them out, you get a symmetry like this. Take your third one and then again line it up with these ones. And then the last one. Make sure you're not going over the score lines. Okay, so this is it, and then just turn it back and put some tape over here. This is just to give it an extra support. So I'm just closing this so that there is no issue with the mechanism, and then just finish this. Alright, like this. Now fold all of this and just bring them in line like this. All of this together and just burnish this. Okay, all right, now bring this piece over here, keep this in the center like so. Okay, you have to keep it in this between 1/2 inch area. All right, so that when you just do it, it just comes right over here like this. So just below the score line, keep it here, making sure that it's in the center. Okay, and then remove the tape backing like this, and then bring this piece, engaging your gusset, and then just do this. So this will automatically get stick over here like so. Okay, and then if you want to test the mechanism, just close this and hold the last piece like this and try to pull it. Yeah, look, it's pulling quite nicely. So there we go with the ladder. Okay, and we have to make something like for pulling it from here, but first let's just close the box now. So insert both of these flaps in here, these small squares, pull them here inside, and then remove the packing of one side from here like this. Okay, and then just slip it like so, and making sure there is no gap at all when you're closing it like this. And slowly and nicely just stick this with this edge like this. Let's see. Okay, like so. Now similarly on the other side, remove this, take your time with this step. Okay, and just push this square inside, and then this side as well, and then making sure there is no gap when you're closing it from here like this. Okay, yep, see, first you have to secure this area, press it nicely, and then everything automatically will come together by itself. Look, okay, so that's a thing. Now push all of this inside. Now this is our box. If you want, you can put a, make a semicircle over here, but there's no need. If you don't want it, you can skip that part. Okay, now let's work on the top. Now for the pocket here, I'm taking one piece of cardstock that will measure 5 1/4 inches by 3.5 here. So on the 5 1/4 inch side, we are gonna score it 1/2 inch and again 1/2 inch from both sides. That means, and from 3.5 inch side, I'm gonna score it 1/2 inch again. So this will be a pocket. So I'm gonna cut diagonally on this intersection point like this, and then similarly here as well. Okay, that's all right. Now fold them back. If you want, you can skip this pocket also, but I thought, because I wanted to add something for keeping a gift card as well, so that's why I did this. Okay, now I'm gonna taken this kind of flap only for the pocket as well. So for that, I'm using 2 inches by 4 1/4 inch, and then I'm just gonna score at 1/2 inch. So this will be a 1.5 inch flap. Okay, and then just taper the corners like this. Okay. Can decorate it with pattern paper. Let's just do that quickly. just put this sentiment maybe here. Maybe let's just put it here. World's greatest dad. One more thing is left now. The pull tab. So what? Take a strip of 1 inch by 4 inch and score it in half. Okay, and then just stick it together. Or maybe you'll just want to round off the corners first. Okay, let's just do it like this only. Okay, after that, score at keep the closed edge, this edge on the leftmost, and then score at 1/2 inch. Okay, and then again 1/2 inch. All right, after that you have to put tape over here on the 1 inch tab. And then you can round the corners if you want. Like this, and then just push it back inside, and this will be our tab like so. So if you think that it's too wide, then you can just de-stress the corners of it. So this is a bit less wide, and there we go. This is our pull tab for this, and then you can put in your photo mats here. So that's my first pocket. So I have cut out some picture mats. These are 4 by 6 from the paper guide. Look at this, and one of this craft cardstock. So we have 8 photo mats. I think you can put in more. See? Okay, so that's it. Why is it not sticking to the magnet? Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys had good time making this one with me, and I'll be back with more projects. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the updates about my new videos. Till then, happy Father's Day and stay safe. Bye.